Hello, my dear friends. This is your Jagam sir, and today onwards we are going to start daily one concept with one PYQ session. And here we will discuss a concept, and based on that concept, related IIT JEE PYQ or NEET PYQ, we will go to see this. And first concept is in kinematics. Let us see basic dimension definitions. Under this one, we will see what is distance. Distance is the path followed by the object. And what is displacement? The shortest path traveled by the object. Here we can find that suppose this is point A, this is point B, and here the path is suppose like this or like this or like this. We have different paths, and this is the only shortest path, so this will be displacement, and all these are distances. And keep one point in your mind, this is also distance, but these are not at all displacements, right Nana? Then next point is, see here, distance is greater than or equals to displacement. See here, distance traveled by the object is greater than the displacement, right? So the displacement value sometimes equal or less than the distance values. So our distance is greater than or equals to displacement values. Am I right now? Then next point is, distance is scalar and displacement is vector. Displacement is vector. Then based on this concept, let us go through with the PYQ. The question is, in 1 second a particle goes from point A to point B moving in a semicircle. The magnitude of the average velocity. Question A, 3.14 meter per second. Option B, 2 meter per second. Option C, 1 meter per second. Option D, 0. R is equals to 1 meter. And actually they are asking question based on average velocity. Now we will see, suppose object starts from A and moving to B like this or like this or like this, whatever the path it is following, path 1, path 2, path 3, path 4, path 5. Now speed is distance traveled by time taken. The distance will be, suppose here let us assume this is better 1 meter, let it is 2 meters, 3 meters, like this. The distance, if it is following the path 1, the distance is, and time taken to reach from A to B, let 2 seconds, right beta? So the distance, if it is following path 1, then 1 meter by 2 seconds. 1 meter by 2 seconds for path 1, and similarly for path 2, speed is equals to the distance covered 2 meter by 2 seconds, that is 1 meter per second. Similarly for path 3, speed value is equals to 3 meter per 2 seconds, that is 1.5 meter per second. This is how we need to find speed values, right? But if we are going to find velocity with, that is displacement by time, that means only we can consider the shortest path traveled by the object, that means 1 meter per 2 seconds. This is the only answer, because velocity is vector and which is displacement by time. So here for speed you can consider the path whatever it is going, but for finding velocity you have to consider the shortest path by the time taken, 0.5 meter per second. I hope I am very clear. Now we are going back to our question, and in the question, in the time 1 seconds, a particle goes from A to B, that is moving from here to here in a semicircular path. Find the magnitude of average velocity. So what is average velocity formula beta? Velocity, that is displacement by time taken. And what is the displacement here? The shortest path. Of course the object might travel from here to here, but the shortest distance between A and B is equals to, can I say 2 meter, because radius is 1 meter, so shortest path is equals to 2 meters. So 2 meters per time taken is 1 second. This is 2 meter per second. So the option B will be the correct answer. And if you have any doubts regarding the subjects, you can message me in your YouTube Messenger. I will definitely give you the response. Have a great day. Take care. Bye beta.